Hey guys, it's me, Uncle Greg, aka the Free American Spirit, and we're at the FLYin, so let's check it out. Unfortunately, when I looked up the weather, it said it was going to be 80 degrees. By Thursday night, everything switched. It was 48 degrees last night. Now it's windy all day and it rained this morning and high winds. Nobody's flying. Clouds are back in. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow. Real cold tonight. So I'm probably going to leave. Also, the Falcon, the brand new wheel. I was going up and down this field. It's pretty bumpy. And I was over in that field, which is real bumpy. That field over there. And I wound up breaking one of my bearings. So I'm just going to go around real quick, show you some people here. There's Mr. Phil with his Green Eagle. Tell us about that Green Eagle real quick. You like it? You hate it?
It's a Green Eagle,
It's a green,
but it's painted blue.
It's a blue
So
Green
it's a
Eagle.
blue Green Eagle, or if you read real carefully, you see it's Blue Eagle 2 because there's already a 1.
Blue Eagle 2.
But he had
There's already
surgery.
one. I'm sorry, excuse me. So there you go, and that's Bill with his big trailer, and that's his wife Diane. Hi, Diane.
Hi there.
Well, he's got stars on one side too. Is that not cool or what? What the heck is this power unit you got going on here, Phil?
The what?
The power unit you got going on down there.
That's my console.
Let's see if this camera
Turn
works.
lights on, and
Wow, look at that.
you got your running lights, your flashing lights.
Flashing lights, running lights, you got all
I can
kinds of
turn,
lights.
this is for 12 volts.
Uh-huh.
This is for USB if I want to turn those on. But I thought I'd use them. I never have.
All right.
So it's just wasted space. I'll redo it someday.
Okay, guys, I'm going to shut off the camera and walk to the next one, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, so we're back. So this is the end of the line. We got a dealer here selling some artwork, it looks like, and bottle holders or something, incense burners, cups, all kinds of neat stuff. Amsoils. We got a backpacker unit with a flat top over there. And we have another backpacker here. I have no idea what unit that is, but it's a what? Paraglider Maverick. And then we're down here. And I just talked to this nice lady 2 minutes ago, and I'm so old I forgot her name.
Hey,
Hello.
I'm Kristen.
Hi, Kristen. So Kristen's here with her friends. And we got a Puma over there, and we got a flat top there.
Sky Tap Angel.
And we got a Sky Tap Angel flat top. Then what's that one? I thought that was a Sky Tap.
Tom, what kind of motor do you have?
Oh, it's a Moster 185, so his name is Tom, I just found out.
Yes.
They got the nice Sylvan Transport. I've seen those eco things that fold up.
We call it their little turtles.
Yeah, really nice. Well, I used to do teardrop campers, and I restored them for many
Oh,
years. That's what we camped in.
okay.
So I'm kind of in the campers. But anyways, nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
So we're cruising along, get a nice little casita. Boy, these people travel in style. Got a nice Sprinter van. That's another flat top guy. This guy I haven't met yet, but sign, lighting, and repair, whoever you are, Yesko. I think he had a flat top. That's Mike. Mike Melton. Can't remember his last name. Mike, what's your last name?
Huh?
What's your last name?
Nelson?
Nelson, that's it. Mike Nelson out of Denell, and they fly, and that's his Dragon right there. This is a PPC. I don't know who belongs to that, but I think it's one of the Women of Sports. Here's an older Green Eagle. The guy is going to come back with his daughter. They fly together, and his daughter's 16 years old. His name is Travis. Real nice guy. That's his Green Eagle. And then we'll stop right here because you saw Bill and you saw mine. All my pop-up tent and all that's down. And we'll go to the other end and look at some of that stuff. Okay, guys, so continuing on, I'm really sorry about the noise. The wind's really up. I tried to wait all day. That's Joe. That's a Nirvana backpack guy. Hi, guys. That's an Adrenaline toy hauler sitting over here. Oh, the little Rotties. Hello, babies. You're all good puppies. Hello. Oh, a nice teardrop camper with the little to-go one. Nice, nice, nice. A tag, I mean, not to go. I'm not thinking today, but nice little teardrop sitting over here. Ooh, we got a trike. Oh, that's my buddy Elijah, right? Got it right. You got a girlfriend?
I'm
Boyfriend?
married. He's this is
Oh,
Kenny.
boy, I can't. So I'm sorry. Did I?
Absolutely fine.
Okay, you two. I really apologize for
No
that, but I caught him
worries.
out the corner of my eye. So, but anyways, he was working on it. I think this is his mom's trike, and then
Yeah.
he has his own trike over there.
Yep.
But his mom's not here, so I guess his friend here is
She's
gonna
here.
fly. Oh, she is here.
They went to the room.
Oh, cool. So mom will be flying. I'm probably gonna bug out, but if I see you later, I will check you later. I just promised them a second video, so I wanted to get down and do this. Another camper, that's a Wildwood Light. Fresh Breeze unit, it's over there. Ooh, a nice little Toyota with a pop-up camper on the back. That's kind of interesting. Ginormous toy hauler, one of the latest and greatest with the deck and the awnings. The slide outs, outstanding. Ooh, look at that. That's like something you buy at Disney World, man. All 18 people around that. Beautiful kids here ready to fly. Look. Bye. Dutchman, another camper. That's that Predator 3500. They're pretty quiet, you know. I was really kind of surprised how quiet those are. And if you put them in eco mode, they say that one tank of gas will run all night. That's pretty nice. We got a nice another trike over here. Electric bike. Just got to show you guys all the nice stuff these people take to these fly-ins real quick. Nice trike, nice setup there with the rug and the lounge. Oh, and this is Jose. Crazy Jose over here. This guy showed me a video. He's flying this Blackhawk. And oh my God, man, he's had like 12 motor outs in that thing. And on this video, he missed the roof of a house by like inches. In a residential that he had a motor out in and had to do an emergency landing. So he's also picked up this Green Eagle. He doesn't fly the Green Eagle much. He's not real big on it yet, but he's getting used to it. He thinks that one's a lot lighter. But hey, you know, it's all kinds of trikes and quads over here. But personally, you know me, I'll take a Green Eagle over Blackhawk any day. But Jose likes his Blackhawk, so that's cool. Be good, brother. But he got a nice rig too. Check out that rig, that Jayco. He just picked that up. You know, then there's this other guy with that big Fleetwood. And there's some guys here that are serious flyers and want to pay attention. You know, they want to ride in style. Coming down here, this trike's covered up. And these are the trikes I think that Ivey London sells, who's hosting this. But I'm going down there. Oh no, that's a Fly Products trike. Okay, so that's Fly Products. I don't know what kind of backpack that is because I'm not a backpacker guy. Cruising on. Okay, we're going to shut it off until I get down to this other end. Alright, we're back down here towards this end. You can see somebody's got this little Honda generator running, and it's not much. Actually, it's a little louder than that Predator, it seems like. Coming over here, oh, we got a Parajet backpack, and we got one of the, what is it, the Fresh Breeze that Kurt Pfister Flight Junkie sells. A couple more backpacks. I don't know who David is, but that's his toy. It's a nice little get-together. And we're coming back around here. This is paramotorprops.com, but you know, it's Fly product stuff in there, so I'm not exactly sure everything that they sell. Everybody's hunkered down. If you look at the, you know, the wind socks up here, I mean, it's just incredible. You know, the wind is blowing. They're not even kiting or anything anymore. So everybody's kind of hanging out. Oh, I needed that the other day, a center of gravity. Darn it. That wasn't set up. He must have just came in because that wasn't set up yesterday when I got here. And I would have, now that I lost this little bit of weight and I have a trike set up different, I would have checked my center of gravity. Darn. Okay, another backpack. And yeah, this is all the stuff where you register. You go in here to register. You can buy t-shirts. There's event t-shirts and other ones that London Ivey has. These are different trike models, you know, various prices. They're all two-stroke, but that's a backpack unit. And you have this trike down here, which is nice. You got the Trike Air, the Simplify, and I don't know what that one's called over there. So lots of things that London brought to sell during this fly-in. Over here, the stand is to bolt your backpacks up on, and it'll check your thrust for you. That was real nice of him to provide thrust tests for everybody. That's all the guys just doing what guys do, man. Oh, and this lady here, I just watched the video, and she was on the Women of PPG. There's a couple more of those ladies here. They're awesome. They fly really good. And then down here towards the end, we got a couple more dealers. Ooh. Look at this guy set up here. Look at that toy hauler. That is nice. That's a lot of fun right there. And then these are the guys that I bought my covers from in that windsock, the prop covers, paraorange.com, real nice people. And I'm looking for his trike. He has a new trike he's selling. I don't know what he did with it. What'd you do with your trike? Oh, there it is. So he's now dealing with Leon Wacker up there with the Sky Cruiser. And that's a trike, and on the back of that, he's got it pulled out. I'm not going to make him pull it out. But on the back of that, he's got a really small 4-stroke. And he says it's a 36 horsepower. I don't know what thrust and whatever it puts out, but it's a nice trike. It's convenient, it's compact, the hoop's not too big. And he's got a guy that built this trailer for him. He only paid like $3,600 to have this trailer made this size with the bigger roof and the wider opening. So I got the card for that. I might get one of these made. I mean, that's a really nice trailer for a really reasonable price if you're looking at trailers. And that's his wife. They call her Bag Lady. I'm not going to tell you her real name. She'll beat me. Look at her. She looks up. She looks furious. I mean, she can take on the Hulk or somebody. So anyway, so she's really, really nice. She's the one that shipped my stuff to me super quick. You know, the prices were reasonable. It actually included a free t-shirt. I was really happy. I got to dust all my furniture that I haven't dusted in years. It was wonderful. And then this over here, I'm going to leave the Bag Lady alone before she gets mad at me. Bye. I don't know who you are, but you look nice. How are you? I'm Greg. Glad to meet you, David. Let's see here. And then this is Happy Thoughts PPG, and this guy is here. His parents, I guess, help him out. They're real nice. I don't know exactly everything that they sell here, but real nice equipment, and they're really super nice people. You know, they had a trike race earlier, which I was going to get into. I'm actually the one that went up to the Mr. Orange over here and said, hey, let's do a trike drag, and he said okay. And then of course, right when that happened, my wheel bearing blew out, so I didn't even get in the trike race. So for me, it was a blowout, but everybody else is having a good time. You know, tonight it's going to be cold, but tomorrow they may be able to fly. Oh, I meant to show you all this, and I'm kind of sideways. Why, you ask? Because I didn't turn on the gimbal, so you'll watch the thing flip around. There it is. The gimbal is on. So I meant to show you, this is the Bad Apples gathering, and I guess they have some machines for sale, different items, which I didn't see hiding back there. But since we can't fly, all the bad apples are hanging around the barbecue and having a drink. Check them all out. Say hello, YouTube bad apple people. Hey, bad apples. Are you one of the women of paramotoring that was on the video like that lady? And you? All you? There they are. That's who I was telling you about. I watched their video the other day. What's your name?
Nicole.
That's Nicole?
Michelle.
Michelle, and I forgot the other girl's name, but I met her. They're awesome. I watched your video, and it was just really killer, all y'all talking and what you do. Really good flying. So. No. Huh? Yeah, it's her video. She's like the main talker, and well, what? You're the phrase. She's. No. I didn't mean it that.
Her call sign, Michelle.
Oh, the call. What's your call sign? Bitchin'?
Wet spot.
Wet spot. Are you kidding me? Get real. I gotta tell my wife that. That's what we're talking about. Let's go. I'm going on a tandem ride now. I mean.
I watched the video, and she said it, and all of a sudden, I don't know who, someone went, no, you go back, how do you get that call sign? No, you go, I want to know.
Well, anyway, so those are the women of PPG. It's really a pleasure to meet you guys. You did an awesome job, and some of the stuff you're flying is great, man. I wish I could fly that good, but I'm an old guy on a trike, and, you know, I got that trike. I said, hey, let's have a trike race. I said, okay, and as soon as I turn the corner, my wheel locks up, my bearing breaks. I can't turn. I'm hauling ass down here, and the skidding smoke's coming up. People are like, you can't have a race like that. I go, why not? So I didn't even get my own little trike race. So, yeah, I was like, what was all that about? I'm looking, I'm going, what's the wheel, the bearing case? But it was a pleasure meeting y'all. Y'all have a great time. So that's the fly-in. Unfortunately, guys, we had a little bit of a bummer with the wind and the rain, but here we go. It's all good.